Hey, welcome to the parade.
Good morning, and welcome to David Warrior's Navajo Word of the Day. So today's Navajo Word of the Day is going to be one of many. The first one is parade. To say parade in Navajo, you say Kintako Hatine. Kintako Hatine. Parade.
W long, Secretary Treasurer Regina Kita, what else can she do? Good to see you.
In my head, and down my nighties roar, and I'm blessed beyond the curse, for His promises endure. Sure is gonna be my friend.
So here we are at the fair. To say fair in Navajo, you can say either ahohe, or you can say nahohe, fair. So the ride area, the midway is the carnival or the midway area. So here we are in the food vending court. So that's basically in Navajo Chiandahani, where they sell food. Fry bread. To say fry bread in Navajo, you say Dahtanil Raj, fry bread. And here we are at the fry bread contest at the Navajo Nation Fair. So here we are at the rodeo grounds. And again, rodeo in Navajo is just in Dalgid.
This young guy's gonna be a superstar.
I got a change in my pocket, going jingle and hang on. Call you on the telephone. I give you a ring, but each time it's hot, I get the same old thing. Always no hugging of this.
Heads up, he's coming back down the line.
My honey, my baby, don't bring my love home no shell. She said don't give me no lines and keep your.
Bring in our EMTs and get him checked out. I think when that bull came down, I think it got him 64 points.
Here we are in Gorman Hall, and we're basically looking at all of the different Native American arts. So this is basically the arts market. Native American Arts Market.
Please report back to your vehicle. It will be towed. Thomasina Frank.
Yeah. So here we are at Navajo Arts and Crafts, and right now the Miss Navajo pageant just wrapped up, and they basically said who the new Miss Navajo is. So to say that Miss Navajo pageant, or saying who the new Miss Navajo is the Nebich Ekem Bikewodini, or selecting a new Miss Navajo, and that's what's going on right now here at the Navajo Arts and Crafts Center in Windsor, Arizona.